Hi, I'm Delaney Taylor. I'm a second-year intern here with HPC.
I'm Hazel Zafra and I'm a senior civil engineering student.
My name is Hannah Zafra, HPC senior intern, and majoring in electrical engineering.
Basically, as an intern here, I get to do all the small tasks. For the big people, I'll run and pull cables. I get to replace them. We use a lot of Linux to troubleshoot a lot of the issues with the nodes out on the floor. Before I joined HPC, I didn't really know much about computers, so for starters, I learned a lot with that. I've learned a lot of cable names and I've learned how to apply it to real life. And additionally, I've also learned a lot of life experiences and how to interact with other people on a professional level. Yeah, a lot of the stuff, I'm an engineering major, so a lot of the stuff I'm learning, I'll also get to carry throughout into my field.
And at first I was not able to understand how they do it because as a civil engineer, I have no knowledge with computer technologies and any terminologies about computers. But based on this job, I was able to learn cross-disciplinary skills in computer technology where I was able to learn and use it with my other interns that is related to my civil engineering course. At first I was scared to work here because I have no knowledge, but there's no actually reason to be scared of because everyone here is very friendly. They will teach you whatever you want to ask and just always ask. The best way to learn things is to ask and never be scared to ask.
This internship is actually a direct application of my major, electrical engineering. And since I've been working with all the cables and how the coding and the updating of the supercomputers, I basically have the knowledge of, probably just basics, but at least I have the idea of how electrical engineering should work in this kind of area. If you enjoy working with your team, it's gonna be very effective.
For starters, I didn't realize how important HPC was to Clemson. We basically help run the university, and that's just insane to me because at first I thought supercomputers were just a big system that just did small tasks that didn't make sense, but actually it's a big system that does very important tasks.
If people got a chance to actually come and work over here, it's actually a very nice environment and of course a very nice resume background. But yeah, it's a very nice environment and it's, you will actually know about Clemson more. So whenever you work with Clemson or do research, it's very perfect.
It means a lot to me because as one of the students in Clemson University, I know that the supercomputers that we're handling is very important in Clemson University, and being able to be part of it makes me feel satisfied that I was being able to help other students as well in other departments, and it actually makes me feel cool that I was able to work somewhere that I only see in movies, and now I was able to be here and work with the HPC team.